Hello there guys, and welcome to our WordPress vs Squarespace review. In this video I will review both of these website builders and see which one could be better for you. But don't worry, this time I will not speak about a well-known CMS WordPress, as I will only compare Squarespace to WordPress.com, which is a website builder as well. And trust me, WordPress.com is much more simplistic than WordPress.org, as you don't have to be a developer or that tech savvy in order to be able to build your own website using either Squarespace or WordPress.com. So I will break this video review down in the most important topics, such as ease of use, customization options and possibilities. I will speak about the templates and editing features. Then we'll see how good either of these website builders are good for blogging and for e-commerce, because you might be interested in implementing these features onto your website as well. And at the end of the video, I will conclude this review by saying who or what these website builders are going to be best for, and I will speak about WordPress and Squarespace pricing. And by the way, if you're interested in trying these website builders out, I have free trial links in the description, so feel free to check them out if you want. Let's get right into the video. So, let's start straight from the bat. Let's talk about the templates of both of these website builders. Squarespace is well known for being one of the most good-looking website builders, as they offer designer-made templates, which I found to be very cool. They're simplistic but offer just enough to have an attractive touch to them. I feel that they're really well made, and in fact, once I was looking for the most attractive template for the first time, I could find it in literally just seconds. I'm satisfied here. By the way, there are around 100 templates and they're all free, which again is great, and they're fully customizable, so you won't have any limitation with the templates. Plus, if you believe that you would be struggling to find the best template, you can then choose a category that will sort the templates out and possibly show you the ones which should be the best for you. So again, Squarespace is pretty advanced here. Now on the other hand, WordPress also has quite a bunch of free templates and they're okay, but I think that they're not as good as Squarespace's. Yes, they're fully customizable and you have lots of freedom. However, take note that some of the WordPress templates are paid ones, and their prices vary from around 50 to 150 bucks. That's a one-time fee, but still, it's a sum of money. However, you'll have access to lots of premium templates without an additional cost if you decide to purchase one of the three plans: premium, business, or e-commerce. But about that, I will speak at the end of the video. So all in all, I would say that even though WordPress offers quite a bunch of free templates, and you can access the premium ones without paying extra with one of the plans that I just mentioned, obviously, they're still not as good as Squarespace's. And if you want to skip the part of customizing and editing your template, the easy way would be to go for Squarespace, as it just offers better templates. Okay, now continuing this WordPress vs Squarespace review, let's talk about the customization options that you have with both WordPress and Squarespace. So Squarespace is a website builder that does not have a drag and drop feature, which you might be interested in, but it offers very simplistic and functional editing possibilities, where you can just, for example, say that you want to edit some part of your website, and then you can choose what you want to add. Whether it's buttons, social bars, you can do it with a click of a button, and then you can edit them. Also, if you want to add extra sections to your website, you can just press here and then choose what section you want to add, whether it's a product page, calendar, chart, gallery, images, video, text, and so on. So that's done in just a click of a button. But yeah, it's not going to have drag and drop options, but it will provide you with the most necessary options and tools to not make a mess out of your website and make it simple. Now WordPress, on the other hand, is pretty flexible, and it has lots, and I mean lots, of customization options, as you can add anything here, and you can see those options on the screen right now. It has tons of features and you can just drag and drop it anywhere on your website. So I must say that WordPress also offers just enough freedom and flexibility, but the only noticeable difference here is that WordPress will still require you to have at least a little bit of website building experience compared to Squarespace, where everything is just basically done for you. Plus, there's one more cool thing about WordPress, and that is you can edit the CSS if you are an experienced web designer, but that's not necessary though. So WordPress may be better for a variety of offered editing options, and Squarespace may be better for the customization freedom and ease of use. Guys, and if you already find this information useful and helpful, please hit a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks. Another important aspect to mention that if you're looking for a website builder that will have an option to add extra applications and plugins to your website, Squarespace does not have this option. Like WordPress, on the other hand, has the possibility of adding lots of different plugins to your website, but it all comes down to the website you're planning to build. Again, Squarespace aims mostly at simplicity and modern minimalistic design, as WordPress aims at providing the wide variety of features to their users, so it really again depends on what you're looking for. However, there are a few more important aspects that are worth discussing in this WordPress versus Squarespace review, and that's the blogging tools and e-commerce aspects. So, starting from Squarespace, I would say that they probably have one of the best blogging tools on the market today. So if you decide that you will want to post and publish blog posts on your website, you'll have to create a separate page for that, and then start writing posts. So you can edit the title of the blog, write your incredibly beautiful story about one of the best trips of your life, and then there's a wide range of additional features you can add to your blog, including images, videos, audio files, and etc. So that's pretty cool. And WordPress, on that matter, offers pretty much everything that you would need in order to make a decent blogging website. So I would say that either Squarespace or WordPress offers the same features, but maybe WordPress has a little more of them, but I wouldn't say that they're necessary. The only big difference that I found was the fact that you can edit SEO options for your WordPress blog straight on spot. But again, Squarespace is much simpler compared to WordPress. Now, moving on into this WordPress versus Squarespace review, let's see the e-commerce side of both website builders. So if you're looking forward to making a huge e-commerce website where you're planning on selling hundreds or even thousands of different products, I would definitely recommend looking at WordPress. By the way, WordPress uses WooCommerce, and that's a well-known e-commerce platform that is known for being a decent builder for that. So adding products is pretty easy, but the reason why I said that WordPress.com is better for hundreds or thousands of products is that because you have an option to edit the inventory, shipping, linked products for upselling and cross-selling, attributes, and more options that allow you sorting and arranging your eShop. Now, I would say that Squarespace is also decent for e-commerce as it has great functionality over their products. You can work on the SEO, which is cool, customize subscriptions, add custom forms, arrange shipping options, add related products, but that's more or less pretty much it. So if again you're planning to create a huge e-commerce site, I would consider getting WordPress or at least trying WordPress out and go for Squarespace if you're going to have a smaller store. So now the question still remains, who or what are these website builders going to be best for? After reviewing both of these website builders, trying them out and working on them for a while now, I must say that both WordPress and Squarespace are great website builders and they offer a wide range of functions. Squarespace is a simplistic yet really powerful website builder with fantastic features, amazing designer-made templates, and the whole really intuitive user interface. I believe that if you're just starting out in website building, Squarespace is going to be a safer option as it's just much easier to edit everything, add additional blocks and sections to your website. Basically, it's much easier to do whatever you want. It's just simpler with Squarespace. WordPress, on the other hand, may be a little more functional as it has a wider range of possibilities, and some of you guys might actually like it. But again, if you're just starting, WordPress might be a little too crowded and possibly too difficult to understand in the beginning. So be sure to have more patience with it, as you will probably need a little more time to understand how everything works. So yeah, I would say that Squarespace is going to be best for beginners and more advanced people who are aiming towards creating a good-looking yet functional website. And WordPress is more or less going to be for those who are more advanced in website building and want to find a challenge whilst building that. And of course, that challenge may be very rewarding as well. Now's the time for both WordPress and Squarespace pricing. So Squarespace's entry-level plan starts at $12 per month, and you will have more or less everything if you're going to create a personal website. A free domain for a year, SSL, unlimited bandwidth and storage, which is nice, SEO options and more. Then the most popular and advanced plan that doesn't have e-commerce features is Business, that comes at $18 per month, and I would recommend this plan as it gives everything you possibly need right now or might need in the future. And if you're planning on building an e-commerce site, the commerce plan, which is $40 per month, will have everything, including abandoned cart recovery, advanced shipping, and more. So if you're really into e-commerce, consider getting either of those. But you can save up to 30% on your annual plan, as we have a discount link in the description down below. So check it out and see if you can get an even better price right now. And then WordPress is a little more affordable, as their most basic plan, Personal, comes at $4 per month, but you'll barely have any functions and you won't even have a live support option. The best plans for value are Premium and Business, as you'll get access to premium templates, which are pretty decent. The e-commerce plan, which is $45 per month, is a little more pricey compared to Squarespace's e-commerce plan, but it's pretty even. So again, check the description down below for discounts, and you may get a better price for WordPress and Squarespace with them. Prices change from time to time, so it might be even better, so check it out now. You can do that via the link down below. So that's pretty much it for our WordPress versus Squarespace review. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you liked what you saw, hit a like and subscribe to the channel. That helps us a lot. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comments down below. And plus, if you're hungry to learn more about this and other website builders, check out our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com for more written reviews, comparisons, and of course, discount codes. This is Site Guide, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.